In the Hours tab, you will see details of all the hours logged in the job by any employee. You can see what activity the employee was working on and on what task and on what day. If you need, you can limit the results by specifying a date range in the date filter. The drop-down menu in the toolbar has preset view options that will show the data in different ways, from a macro company view through to a breakdown of hours an employee spent on a task. Have a play and find the view that works best for you. The context menu also has some useful features. You can add a time entry to any job. The dialog here is the same as the quick entry. If a client has been billed incorrectly at a rate less than what was agreed upon, you can update the cost and sales prices for an employee in the Update Cost and Sales option. This option will only work for historical records. If you spotted that an employee has billed the wrong client, you can make the change here. You will need to add the hours in the Select Hours to Move tab. Likewise, if an employee has entered the wrong activity or task, you can change these from the context menu. Just select the correct activity or task from the drop-down in the grid. You will see any of these changes marked in the correction columns in the grid. It is possible to see the time entry in depth by double-clicking in the relevant row. What can also be done from the grid that is pretty useful is you can change the task an employee logged hours for. Do this by hovering over a cell within the task column and clicking on the Change Task icon. In the dialog window, change the task in the drop-down.